we cannot make this type of section in mold, this welding track merging with this base part. This is my problematic area. So in that case, what I will do, first of all, I will cut a section, then I will explain you what we should do next. Just take a section. Right. Click on horizontal. You can see here, this is my section of lens. So here, this is the welding track. This is perpendicular to lens. So here we have no issue. But this is the problem. I am going to just explain you. We have the tooling direction in this direction, and this is my welding track. So here I want to add welding track in this shape, but if I have this tooling direction, then it will become a undercut. This portion will be easily eject out by using this tooling direction, but this will become a undercut if we have this tooling direction. So what we will do in that case, we will use slider. If you are a tool designer or tool maker person or tool room person, then you will be aware about the undercut. Only tooling person knows very well how to remove this undercut. So in that case, we will add one slider here, like that. It will move in this direction. This welding track will be made by this slider, which will be moved in this direction, and this shape will be made by this tooling direction. So here, this is the main tooling direction and this is the slider direction. So by using slider, we will make this welding track which are perpendicular to the lens part. So we are going to add a one slider here. This is the horizontal section. If we will see the vertical section, then just I want to explain how we will make in core and cavity this part. This is my tooling direction. So this bottom part will be made in cavity. This is my cavity portion, and this upper portion will be made in core side. and my core will moving in this direction. This is my tooling direction. These both welding ribs will be made in core area, and this bottom profile will be made in cavity side. So this is the concept of tooling, how this part will be molded and how it will eject in plastic molding. So here in this zone we will use slider, and this portion having no undercut, it will easily eject in main tooling direction. So let us start how we will make this profile as per the slider concept. Open this file separately. I'm just hiding this sweep. This is my A class surface and this is my welding track. So here I want to change the profile of this welding track as per the slider concept. We have already WIP2, so just unhide this, copy, just hide this surface, this parallel curve. Okay, first first of all I will make slider direction. This is my main tooling direction, and here I want to create my slider direction. So I will create one more tooling direction by using XZ plane. So take a line, take a point, support XZ. Initially we will take minus 32 degree. Click OK. Click OK. Now I am going to just change the color. I am giving the green color, and I want to give some more thickness to this line. Okay, this is my slider direction. So this is my smooth curve. Here you can see this is the smooth curve. So first of all I will define the slider area. So for this I will take a point. Just randomly I have taken this point. Later on we will modify it. And second point I am going to take here. I want to edit this point in this position, and I want to little bit shift this point up to this position. Okay, now I will split this curve by using these 2 points. So take split, select this smooth curve, pick this point. Now this is showing error because Catia is don't know whether we want to keep this zone or this zone. So we will take both points. So take another point also. Now it has taken. Okay, this is my splitted area and this is my second side. Now I want to keep both sides. Now in this is my left side portion and this is my right side curve. This curve I will use for slider and this curve I will use for main tooling direction. So first of all I will take sweep. Take this curve as a profile, guide profile and give the slider direction. Angle we will maintain the zero draft, angle 0 and this one is 0, this is 50. We will take it 50. Now this is my slider surface and this side I will make the surface as per the main tooling direction. So take a sweep, select this guide curve, give the tooling direction. This is 50, preview, OK. So I have both surfaces as well as for tooling direction. So this is my merging zone. I will tell you how we will merge these two surfaces. Here you can see this surface is not intersecting with this another surface. So I will extrapolate this surface. Give it to 20. Try to maintain tangent continuity 50. Give it to 60. Okay. Now I am going to just hide the A class surface. This surface is for my welding track only. Now I have both surfaces for welding track only. So next what I will do, I will make a line on this surface and split it by using the line. So take projection, click on line, take points, click on create points. This is my first point. This is my second point. Click OK. Select the projected surface. I have selected. Now try to split by using this surface. Now we have surface like this. We need to extend this surface little bit. So just take a extrapolate, click, select on this, maintain the tangent continuity. Now click OK. Now both surfaces are intersect each other perfectly. This side, what we can do, split the surfaces. Split this surface by using this surface. Split this surface by using this another surface. Okay, now this side we have to work. So what we will do, we will make a line, click on points, create point, click OK. Oh, it is taking some another position. Just cancel. Repeat again. Click on line. Click create a point. Click on this point. Now take second point. Click OK. Give the spot. Now split it out by using this line. Now hide this line. Next, there is a gap between these two surfaces. So what we will do, we will extrapolate both surfaces one by one. Give the distance, give tangent continuity. For second surface, take extrapolate. Give tangent continuity. Okay. So split the surfaces. Now join the both surfaces. Now I have my welding track surface. This is my main surface. So next what I will do, as you remember, we have made a 10 mm offsetted surface. So I will unhide that surface and I will work on this surface. So just this is my 10 mm offsetted surface. But in this zone we have a problem. So what we will do, in that case we will recreate this surface. So just take the join and remove this surface and hide this surface. So we will make new surface by using multi-section surface. So for that, first of all, create the spline. We will use the spline, the target, reverse the target. Okay. Next, take spline for this, reverse the target and reverse the target. Maintain 1 mm tangency. We will extract this boundary, this one. Let us try with multi-section surface. This is This profile is in two parts, so we will make it single. So how we can do this? We will join these two lines. So we will join these two lines by using extract. click on this surface, tangent continuity. Okay, extract on this surface, click OK. Now take multi-section surface, give the guides. I'm just undo this guide, this guide. So we will join these two surfaces, cancel, take again. We will join this surface with to this surface. So this is our final offsetted surface. Okay, just change the color of this surface and change color of this surface. So we have both surfaces. So before going forward, we need to ensure that our parallel curve, that is this one, is having good tangency, curvature and all things. So we need to ensure that this parallel curve having no issue. So how we can do this? Just go to join and click on this and check the tangency. If you get no error, it means its quality is good. We don't have any error for this. I'm just delete this. This is my final surface. Just unhide this. So next what I will do, I will split this material by using this offsetted surface. So just we have already splitted, only we need to change the reference. Earlier it was splitted by sweep, now we need to split it by join 54. It's done. Now hide this surface and hide this also. Here material has not cut down, you can see here some issue. Why this issue is coming, we will sort it out. First of all, we have made last surface, joint surface. We will check where is the surface. This, I think this is my last joint surface. So what we will do, initially we have thickened this surface with the sweep 17, but currently we are having this joint surface 50. So we will replace this with this 50 surface. Hide this surface and this surface also. Now you are able to see this is our welding track. This is the welding track for the lens. So for our understanding, I will rename this surface as a lens center, lens center surface. Okay, and this is my join 54 is my offsetted surface. I will rename this offsetted surface. So for our easiness in future, I have renamed both the surfaces. One is offset surface, second one is lens center surface. So just hide both surfaces. Now I will show you the section of this surface. It is not working. Just double click on this. This is not working. So here you can see this welding track is not merged with lens base. So for this we will union trim the welding track from the lens. So how we can do this? Here we made a mistake. I will take this lens welding track body outside, just cut and just paste. Now I will define this project. I will union trim faces to keep this one, this one, this one and this one. Now you can see welding track has completely merged with lens part. If I take a section of this, so you can see here, this is my profile of welding track and this is my base lens. So both are perfectly merged to each other. Here you can see if I take section in this direction, here also you can see welding track perfectly merged with lens. I am just going to save this file. So double click on final product assembly, just take save management, save as final modified, propagate directory,